Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. This is episode 58 and for this episode, our lesson is writing expressions with variables. In math, when we say variables, these are letters that represent a known quantity. Expressions are combination of numbers and variables. So why are variables used in mathematics? We will answer this question using an example. Let's say one piece of donut is 50 pesos. Let's compute for the total amount for multiple donuts. We don't know yet how many donuts we will get or we will buy. If we will express in words, then we say multiply the number of donuts you want to buy by the price of one, which is 50 pesos. If we will express in an equation, 50 times the number of donuts, this is equal to the amount of money we need to pay. This is actually more simple and shorter than this one, but still long. So to express this in simplest and shortest way, we will express the unknown quantity using variable. The unknown quantity is the number of donuts. Let's express number of donuts as variable d or d. So let d be the number of donuts. So our new equation is 50 times the number of donuts, which is represented by variable d. So 50 times d, this is equal to the amount of money we need to pay. So if we want to get 2 donuts, we just need to substitute 2. So 50 times 2, then our answer is 100 pesos. If we want to get 5 donuts, so 50 times 5, this is equal to 250 pesos. So how are we going to write equations using variables? First, we have to understand the meaning of the problem to identify the relationships or rules between quantities. In our example, we know that one piece of donut is 50 pesos. The unknown quantity is the number of donuts we want to get. Using variable, we need to formulate the relationship found in step 1 into an equation. So we represented number of donuts as variable d or d. So d is equal to the number of donuts. So our equation is 50 times d equals the amount of money we need to pay. Okay, now that you know how to write equations using variables, let's exercise by studying these common quantity relationships where we use variables. Or these are the situations where we commonly use variables. First situation is when we are expecting a change. So change is equal to payment minus the price of the item. Example, change received from paying 1,000 pesos and buying a quantity of a 50 peso notebook. Okay, the unknown quantity is represented by variable a. So a is the number of notebooks that we want to buy or get. So what will be our equation? So change is equal to payment refers to 1,000 pesos. So this is 1,000 pesos minus item price. So how will we represent item price? One piece of notebook is 50 pesos. Okay, multiply this one by the number of notebooks we need to get. And this one is represented by variable a. So this is 50 times a. So change is equal to 1,000 pesos minus 50 times a. So this is our equation. Let's go to the next situation. So this time, if we are talking about percent or discounts, a discount or a percent discount is equal to original price minus the discount. Example, today's discount for the 700 peso shirt is 20%. So it's given that the discount is 20%. So how much can I buy the shirt? So what will be our equation here? So original price, which is 700 pesos, minus the discount. So to get the discount, get the 20% of 700. So A over 100 here is 20%. So this is 20 over 100. Okay, times the original price, 700 pesos. Simplify this one. This becomes 1. This is 7. So 20 times 7, it's 140. So the discount is 140. We need to subtract this one from 700. So 700 minus 140. Okay, how much can I buy the shirt? 560 pesos. Let's move on to the next or to the third situation. Okay, this time if we are trying to get the distance, speed, or time. Okay, it seems difficult to understand or to memorize or to remember these three formulas. So to make it more simple, just remember this figure. Okay, D is distance, S is speed, T is time. This horizontal line means division. Vertical line means multiplication. So if we're looking for distance, the formula will be speed times the time. If we are looking for the speed, our formula will be distance. Okay, since this is division, so divided by the time. And if we're looking for the time, okay, our formula is distance divided by speed. Let's give an example. What is the distance traveled in Y hours at the speed of 80 kilometers per hour? So what will be our equation for this? Since we are looking for distance, okay, distance is speed times time. Okay, the speed is given 80 kilometers per hour. So 80, we need to multiply this one by the time or by time. And time is represented by variable y. So it's 80 times y. So this is our equation. Okay, how about the last situation where we use or we can use variable? This is the sum of the two-digit natural number with tens as the place value of A and ones as the place value of B. Okay, according to this problem, tens as the place value of A. So A, B as the tens as the ones as the place value of B. So B. But we cannot write this way. A, B, this is not the correct representation for this problem. So this is not correct. And in our next episode, I will be explaining why this one is not the correct representation for this problem. Okay, according to this problem, two-digit natural number. So example of a two-digit natural number, 32. Okay, 3 here in the tens place, this is equal to 30. And 2 in ones place is, the value is 2. 3 in tens place, the value is 30. This is 2. And to get 30, this is 10 times 3. To get 2, this is 1 times 2. But in this problem, it's not given, or the number in the ones and tens place are not given. So A is in tens place. So this is A and this is B. So to get A, it's 10 times the number. But we don't know. So it's represented by variable A. So this is 10 times A. How about B? So it's 1 times B. Sum of the two-digit natural number. So the operation here is addition. 1 times B is just the same if we will write as B, because any number multiplied by 1, the answer is the number. So we can just simplify this one and we can just write B here. So the simplified expression is 10 times A plus B. Okay, for this last problem I prepared for you, okay, you just have to remember the figure that I've showed or that I mentioned a while ago. So for distance, it's equal to speed times time. So considering this figure, you can write the correct equation for this problem.